Today, we're going to show you how to set up the basic PA package that we rent out. For those who want the most amount of control or have stereo inputs that need to be panned, a stereo setup will be required. Common stereo inputs include background music or keyboards. Before we get started though, make sure all the speakers and mixer are turned off to prevent any damage to the gear. For a true stereo setup, connect the left output from your mixer to one of the inputs on the left K12 speaker, and the right output of the mixer to one of the inputs on the right speaker. To ensure both K12s are sending a signal to the subwoofer, take an XLR cable from the through output of the left K12 and connect it to the input of the KS118 subwoofer. Then connect another XLR cable from the through output of the right K12 to the other input on the KS118. This setup ensures the subwoofer receives signals from both tops for a fully balanced stereo sound. Due to the fact that most low-end content isn't panned to create a stereo sound, you can also simplify the setup by sending a signal from just one K12 to the sub. In order to do this, connect the K12 tops just like we described before, with the left output on the mixer going to the left speaker and the right output on the mixer going to the right speaker. Pick either speaker and run one XLR cable from the through output of the K12 into one of the inputs on the sub. With the signal connections done, we can power on the system. Again, make sure you power on the mixer first, then power on the speakers in any order you wish. Just be sure to power on the top speakers before the sub if using their through inputs to supply signal to the sub. When using a sub, there's one more step to make the system sound the best it can. On the KS118 and each K12, set the crossover frequency to 80 Hz. This ensures that the subwoofer operates within its optimal range and the tops handle the higher frequencies, giving you a balanced sound. For more information on the subs in this process, check out the link in the description below for a video that we made covering the topic in depth. Now, let's test the system. An easy way to make sure that you have routed everything correctly is to pan a mono signal just to the left side and listen for it out of the left speaker, then sweep it over to the right and make sure you're hearing it out of just the right speaker. You could also do this with a stereo input and pan both channels to the left or right and achieve the same thing. And there you have it. That's how you connect two QSC K12 speakers to a QSC KS118 subwoofer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more AV tips and tutorials, and hit that bell icon to stay notified on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.